Welcome to this tutorial. In this quick video, I'll show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link with others. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive by visiting google.com/drive in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once there, click on Go to Drive, which will take you to your Drive homepage. Now, you have two ways to upload your video. You can click on the New button and select File Upload, or you can simply drag and drop the video file directly into Google Drive. In this example, I'll locate the file in my File Explorer and drag it into the Drive window. Once you've added the file, you'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner. Wait for the upload to finish. Once it's complete, you can proceed to share the video. To share the video, locate it in Google Drive, right-click on the file, and select Share. In the sharing options, you'll notice that access is initially restricted, meaning people need to request permission to view the file. To make it accessible to everyone with the link, change the setting to anyone with the link. After adjusting the access settings, copy the link provided. Now you can share this link with anyone. When they click on it, they'll be taken to a page where they can view the video and even download it from the top right corner. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded a video to Google Drive and shared the link. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.